Wow, there's a random glare. It's kind of funny. We're recording.
Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? It's
Team Noblemanofnoobie,
Team Noblemanofnoobie,
Santi,
and TG.
We're gonna do actually like a tiered deck review of like before the format changes.
Yeah.
Really, of what we think. We're not putting Gen 4s because still the packs aren't even legal yet, so there's no point. I mean, they're not in stores yet, so yeah. We may have missed some decks, but it's because we don't really see them at our locals or anything. So it doesn't really matter.
Alright.
So let's start tier 1 in no particular order. That's
Gravekeepers.
Gravekeepers.
You know, they're pretty good.
They're really consistent.
Yeah.
And they're gonna continue to top until OCG gets Recruiter and Recruiter gets hit. And Spy might get hit in September, but that's for another video.
And if they don't get hit till then, they're gonna
That's another video, isn't it? Tengu. This is representing Tengu plants because he's like he's really like main in Tengu plants.
Like
I mean, there's gadgets, there's TG thing, but really, where did Tengu first go? Plants.
Yeah.
But Tengu, I don't think he's gonna get hit because he's a TCG exclusive. March for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, you never know. Because just like everyone said, oh my god, they have to hit Sands. Sands are probably not going to get hit. Sabers, because they're really consistent. Wait till March comes and Dark Soul gets hit. So. Then it's over. Tier 1.5. This is like decks that haven't shown as much consistency of Tier 1. TGs. They may have won Nat, and they're pretty good at the moment with Tengu, but they're not really Tier 1, let's be honest. They're not popular enough. Doom Cow to represent anti-meta. Stun, not really stun, just pure anti-meta. You can't say just because it wins a YCS it's tier 1 because it depends what the format is. It's not a one-size-fits-all deck. Then we got, of course, because they're not going to get hit, Spamrise. He would know.
You know, they're always consistent. Yeah, I've been using them for like a long time. They're really good.
I used to, but that's for another story. Tier 2, in our opinion.
Frognarks, Fish.
Not really the Water Tengu Synchro. That would go more to like T 1.5 because it's not proven itself as much, but it's really good. Like it's just its consistency is really annoying. Give me Ganashia.
Ganashia?
It's right there. He's right there.
Oh.
He's under there. Then we got GBs. They're really good.
Yeah.
They're not too cheap. They're not on the cheap, but they are a really good deck. Not much else to say about them. They've been a good deck forever. Gadgets.
They've been doing pretty good. Like with anti-meta, and they're doing really good.
Like I like them. Like I guess if they were like the Ultimate Offering ones are pretty cool, but I like anti-meta gadgets just better. And then you got the next one. We got fairies variants because they are still good, and Christian reprint's gonna make them 10% more popular. Worms, they're cool.
Yeah, they're cool.
Scraps, I want to build them. That's Orthros.
Yeah.
They're cool. Then we got Fables. That's Ganashia. They're
good. We did a deck profile on them.
They're pretty explosive, I guess.
Did
we do a deck profile on them?
Huh?
We didn't do a deck profile on them.
Decklist.
Oh, that's right. Ricky.
Yeah.
Tier 2.5 doesn't make the cut for tier 2. Psychics. Gen 4, I think, was giving them more support, but I used to run them. If you get the lockdown, they're cool. If you don't, you're screwed. They Veiler. Just scoop. Armed Wing, Black Wings, Vita Turbo. Santi would know about them because he's never run them. Oh, that's fine. So, like, that's it for now. We're gonna do a ban list later.
Yeah, ban list for elections.
Peace out, YouTube.